Hi girls, it's Jenny with Planner Perfect, and in today's video, it's a Planner Perfect subscription box reveal. Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, this is the April subscription box planner and journal reveal. The only thing I do not have with me in this box are the stickers. So those are going to be a surprise. And also a little bit of a fun new thing for at least this month anyway, is that we are going to, if you want to get in on this box, you have until the 12th this month rather than the 10th. So giving you a little bit of extra room to be able to get in on this April box. So I can't wait to share with you what I've painted. Okay, you guys, here we are. This is the box that it comes in if you're new. And let's just open this up. It comes a little bit of the scrunchy paper. We've got our Tippin's washi, and we've got in this canvas here, little bag, we've got the painted journal and planner. So and remember the stickers are coming, but they will not be in this reveal, so they will be a surprise. So I'm going to take everything out over here so that you guys cannot see it. And it comes in this cute little canvas bag to keep it safe. And here we go. I really wanted to paint something that I haven't painted before, and I have not painted this before. So I've got a hummingbird and a daffodil. So for the monthly planner, we've got the hummingbird in beautiful colors. I thought that it was perfect for spring with the flowers that they love on the back. And then I've got the daffodil that I watercolor. Both of these are with watercolor. And then the back. So no matter how you turn it, it looks beautiful. So we offer several different boxes for whatever your needs are. If you guys love journaling, you can get a journal with your planner every single month. If you want to do just the planner, you can do that, or just the journal, you can do that, or you can do obviously both. And then also just the accessory kit. So it's totally up to you. We have lots of different ones to choose from. And remember, you have until the 12th to get it. So again, these are watercolored planner and journal. And then let me show you the accessories. So I've already started using this, but it's a beautiful blue gingham. And then I've got my watercolored floral here in blue as well. And then my daisy washi. It's kind of hard to see here, but it's in its little thing still. But this is the daisy that I painted last year, I do believe. So then for the Tippins, I thought I would use for the calendar this cute little watercolored, cute little watercolored yellow boots here that I have painted before, and so I use them for the calendar. So here's your April calendar, perfect to tip into your planner or stick anywhere, or even put those little things you can put your calendars in, or little cards. You can put them on your desk. So it's super cute, super fun. So we've got that. We've got the hummingbird. You get 2 of each. These make great gifts. I like to write like an addendum on the back of this, so I'll tip it into that page that it goes to. Maybe I'll write down what I love is, like, sometimes I'll put down some ideas I want to do. So I know I'm going to be blocking out some time to do something with the kids. So I might write on the back those ideas for it if I ran out of room. Sometimes I'll put a Bible verse on the back of them just to remind me who I am in Christ. So I can do that too. There's the daffodil. Sometimes I'll punch a hole in it with some twine. You could put it on a wine bottle. You could put it on a gift. It's just so many different ways you can use these cute little watercolored cards. Here is my pink tulip. I brought back the cute little red floral poppies here, and then the woman with the bike. Ah, I just love these, and they're so perfect for spring. So now, girls, just remember you have until the 12th to get in on this box, and gives you a little bit of more time to think here. But remember, you've got options for the box and which one that you'd want, and or to get in on this beautiful April box. Until next time, girls.